Hello guys, this is Sukhuda Kotak this side from EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज discuss करेंगे current affairs of 6th September 2022. The government of India has announced the constitution of the National Level Committee for drafting of the National Cooperation Policy. The committee under the chairmanship of the former Union Minister Suresh Prabhu consists of 47 members from all the parts of the country. The new policy has been formulated to realize the vision of the Shakhar-e Samriddhi under the leadership of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Union Home Minister Amit Shah had earlier announced that a national cooperation policy will be soon prepared, which will have a holistic approach from the primary agricultural credit society upwards. PM Modi and Bangladesh PM Sheikh Hasina inaugurated the first unit of the Maitri super thermal power plant. This was done on the second day of the state visit of the Bangladesh Prime Minister in India. A slew of projects were unveiled and 7 memorandum of understanding were signed. The PM Modi and Bangladesh PM Hasina Sheikh inaugurated the first unit of the Maitri thermal power plant in the Khulana district of the Bangladesh. The two leaders also inaugurated 5.13-kilometer long Rapsa rail bridge built under the concession line of the credit provided by India. Chief Justice of India, Uday Umesh Lalit, inaugurated NALSA's Center for Citizen Services at Jaisalmer House in New Delhi. The center will provide free legal services to the weaker section of the society. Justice U.U. Lalit also congratulated the executive chairman of NALSA. The Center for the Citizen Services, as the name itself suggests, it is going to prove an excellent medium for effective legal services to the common man without any hassles. PM Narendra Modi announced development and the upgradation of 14,500 schools across the country under PM Shri, that is Pradhan Mantri Schools for Rising India Yojana. This was done on the occasion of the Teachers' Day, where Modi said that PM Shri schools will become model schools with the full-on spirit of the new educational policy. India to celebrate National Cinema Day on September 16, says Multiplex Association of India, where the tickets will be priced at Rs 75 in the theatres across India. The first question for the day is, who has become the 56th Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? The next question is, which has become the first country to approve the world's first needle-free inhaled version of the COVID-19 vaccine? The next question is, who has developed India's first nasal-free vaccine against the COVID-19 that received DCGI's approval? Please mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving a correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. The answers to the questions asked in the previous video are as follows. When is the International Day of the Charity observed? The correct answer is it is observed on 5th September. 36th National Games will be held in which of the following states of India? The correct answer is it will be held in the state of Gujarat. Shout out to Ruju Shah, Harsh Thosar, Ruksar Siddiqui and Tanvi Nayak for giving the correct answers of these questions. That's it guys. Stay connected to our channel for daily current affair videos. For more such MCQs, you can download the app from the link which is given in the description box below. We also conduct classroom. The facilities are available in the Dombivli and Ghatkopar, where classes are conducted for mhcetlaw, CLAT, MBA, CAT. Recorded lectures, live class, books, ebooks, and test facilities are also available. For more information, you can contact on the number which you can see on your screens.